Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you our new card making kit. It is called Merry and Magical. It's all about Australia and celebrating Christmas here down under as we do, and I'm going to quickly show you what's in the kit. So of course you have got your pals, square card envelopes and some beautiful organza ribbon, packet of the creative cards for Merry and Magical, the Merry and Magical mini magazine, and 1/4 of our cut apart sheet, which is this one here. So that's in the kit. These are the cards that you can make with the kit. Let me quickly show you them. So there is a picture of this in the kit, so you can make all of these cards. 6 to get you started. You just need to add your adhesives, and then you can make many more of your own. So this one here I have made, and you could just put it on a card and just open it up. I have made it like a little beach house. It's kind of cute, but this, I've actually done mine as an easel card, so it sits up like this. So all you really need to do is you take your card and you literally score and fold it, the top bit in half, so that it folds up to create the easel. This one is not going to fit in the envelope though if you make it slightly taller than the card like me, but I like to put it on the outside of the present anyway, or hand it to the person. So that is the card making kit. It's $27. It is available from the 5th of September, and we hope that this gets you in the Christmas spirit a little bit early for the card makers. Till next time guys, thank you, bye.